Hello. So I came across eCoverage and I really like how clearly the website communicate what the product does, especially for such a specialized industry. So the overall structure is clean and the value proposition is pretty clear. But while going through the website, I noticed a couple of quick opportunities that could make the user experience and SEO even better. So the first is the drop-down navigation. Like you can see, the drop-down navigation feels like a little crowded. Some additional spacing and visual separation would make the menu much easier to scan. Right now, you can see it's pretty crowded, so people cannot understand like what is this sometime because it's overlapping. So yeah, this is the first thing that need to be fixed. Now let's move to the blog section. And if we go to the blog section, let's pick any of the blog. Let's pick the first one. And when I click on the first one, so the first thing is like the date wise, yeah, it's not because the year is not mentioned. You just wrote the like 1st August, the article was published, but which year? Like 25, 24, 2026, or maybe 2020. So it's not understand easily like it is a old blog or new blog. So you should mention date here with year like 1st August 2026. So these kind of things we need to change. And let's see the blog. Like here you add the internal link. Oh, it's not an internal link, it's just highlighted. So it seemed like an internal link because the color is changed. And but it's not a big issue. Like you can sometime it's work. So anyway, yeah, the big issue, the image, I can't see any image in the article. So this is the one of the SEO factor that need to be added because the image is very important when you write an article. So it's also engaging purpose. And the second thing, the internal link, there is no internal link like one I can see here. It's a contact page internal link, but you have not added any internal link on the another article because it's important if you want to rank organically, you should add internal link in the article as well, at least two, three, or four, or maybe one external links if required. Otherwise, the internal link should be here because it's on-page SEO. And if we go to the meta title and description, yeah, the meta title is too long. You can also the 95 characters, which is not good. It should be under 60 characters. And meta description should be like 120 characters. It's also mentioned here. So you should change this. So these kind of things that need to be fixed. Let's go through the product page quickly. If we go any product page and here I can see the CTA is good. Yeah, all good. Yeah, here, this is an issue. This is the issue. Yes, right. And this is good. It's okay. Everything okay. Another issue here. Yeah, rest of the thing is fine, but need to be change the CTA because this is too long. CTA must be two or three words, so it should be in one line like this, uh, like this, and like this. So should be in one line, so it's clear to understand and design wise, it's also looks fine. So yeah, and yeah, so those are just three or four quick opportunities I noticed. This was a free mini audit, not a full website review. And if you already have a developer, that's great. Feel free to share these recommendations with them so he can resolve. And if you would like a deeper look at your website, you can visit wpoptimizer.com and book a free consultation from here. And you can also email us via contact page. Go to contact page and email us at info@wpoptimize.com so we can book a call and I will tell you, like I will give you a complete audit your site and we have a deal. So yeah. So that's it from my side. Thanks much. Bye bye.